students to kindly stand up for the ICAI motto song.
सुप्तेषु जागृति येष सुप्तेषु जागृति कामं 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 पुरुषो निर्विमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यपि कश्चन एतद्वैता
With that, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to say that light and brightness has always been equated with positivity, and motivation is seen as the harbinger of good. To start us off on an auspicious note, we will now have the lamp lighting ceremony. And ladies and gentlemen, to do the honor, may I now request our honorable chief guest, along with the Central Council members and the Regional Council members, to join us for the lamp lighting ceremony.
Thank you all for doing the honors. I now request the dignitaries to kindly be seated as we proceed with the Ganesh Vandana.
As we rightly know, Pune is called as the Oxford of the East or Vidyeche Mahir Ghar. And so it would not be right to start a show without the blessings of our Lord Ganesha. I call on the stage our volunteers to present the Ganesh Vandana.
निरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो सूरनिरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो शुभनयना करुणामय गौरीहर श्री वरद विनायक ओंकार गणपति गणपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति लीन निरंतर हो लीन निरंतर हो
श्री गणेश देवा 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 श्री गणेश
ज्वाला सी चलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है परवाह ही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे डर भी उससे डरा रे जिसकी रखवाली यारे करता साया तेरा हे देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश
बोला गणपती बाप्पा
Moria! मंगल मूर्ती
मोरया.
कसं काय पुणे? Are you excited? How's the Josh? How's the Josh?
Hi sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi sir. Shravani, imagine it's 2015. Your cousin just cleared his CA intermediate exams, and all you think is, oh my god, how boring a life of a CA student is. But wait, fast forward to 24th December 2022, because today you will know that there's a life of a CA student beyond books, studies, and office, because today you are going to live one of the most memorable experiences of your life, all filled with knowledge, making new friends, and of course, the most exciting cultural night. I, Rama Sane,
And I, Shravani Bendre,
welcome you all to the National Conference of CA Students organized by Students Skills Enrichment Board
and hosted by Pune branch of WIRC jointly with Pune branch of Vikasa. So many faces in the audience. It feels overwhelming to share the same energy with equally excited and humongous crowd as you. This reminds me of a quote by Helen Keller that goes like, alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. And together with all of you here today, what could have been a better way to end 2022 and enthusiastically welcome 2023? It's a festival of festivals.
Exactly. Our conquest for knowledge and an urge to soar high made us choose this wonderful theme for the national conference.
Agnipank,
Knowing the way.
going the way and showing the way to the world.
Our fiery winged eagle is ready to soar. Are you guys ready?
So my dear friends, fasten your seatbelts and get ready as we are about to start this wonderful event. I would now like to invite on the stage CA Maushmi Shah, Chairperson of Pune branch of Vikasa ICAI, CA Kashinath Pathare, Chairman of Pune branch of WIRC of ICAI, CA Chandrasekhar Chitade, Central Council member of ICAI, CA Ketan Sayya, Chairman of Vikasa, Satara Vikasa Chairman, CA Rushikesh Wangde,
CA Yashwant Kasar, Regional Council Member, CA Ruta Chitade, Regional Council Member, Ashish Patil, Vice Chairman of Pune branch of Vikasa, and our chief guest for today, Padma Shri awardee Dr. Milind Kamble Sir, the founder chairman of Dalit Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Let us all welcome them with a big round of applause.
We also welcome all the past committee members and vice chairman and chairman of the Pune branch of WIRC of ICAI. I would now like to invite CA Maushmi Shah, Chairperson of Pune branch of Vikasa of ICAI, to present the welcome address.
A very good morning to all. Respected Chief Guest for today, Padma Shri Milind Kamble ji, Honorable Central Council Member Chandrasekhar Chitade sir, Regional Council Vice Chairperson, WRC Vice Chairperson, CA Yashwant Kasar sir, Regional Council WRC Vikasa Chairperson, Ketan Sayya sir, WRC Managing Committee Member Ruta Chitade Madam, Chairman of Pune Branch, CA Kashinath Pathare sir, Vikasa Chairperson of Satara Branch, CA Rishikesh Wangde sir, all the Managing Committee members of Pune Branch, our past chairmans, our juries for today, and my dear students, I welcome you all to the Festival of Students, that is the National Conference of CA students hosted by Pune branch under the theme Agnipank. My dear friends, this is going to be a session packed with knowledge, inspiration, motivation, and a session which will give you a direction to your life. I'm sure each one of you will carry wonderful memories of this event while you go back from here. But something more important that you will carry is a way to lead your life. You will see that the dreams you have would get the required motivation, inspiration here. So be ready for the 2 days knowledge-packed as well as fun-filled session. Apart from technical sessions, we will have motivational sessions, and we will also have certain special sessions which you will definitely enjoy. I'm very thankful to the Board of Studies for giving us the opportunity to host this wonderful national conference at Pune. I'm fortunate enough to have over here with us our WRC Vikasa chairperson to chair the Students' National Conference. Thank you so much, sir. As you all know, the theme for this is Agnipank. Pank is wings, right? If a bird is without wings, can a bird fly? Definitely not. So a bird with wings will definitely fly very hard. But now we have chosen theme as not Pank, but Agnipank. So this denotes that wings can make you fly, but if it is Agnipank, you can reach a level beyond what others can even imagine about. So this effort, this motivation that you will get from here will make you fly high beyond imagination of people. So what is the theme that we have? Agnipank, right? And the theme over here that we have again taken over here is under Action at 75. Now this Action at 75 focuses on all our efforts that are being undertaken to help India take its rightful position to the new world, especially after the COVID period, by highlighting the steps taken by implementation of policies and commitments. So here we are presenting Agnipank under at Action 75. Before I go ahead with my words, I could recall a small story, a short story which I would like to tell you, and that is, there was a girl who was always seeing a balloon seller outside her house. And this balloon seller, he was selling balloons of various colors, red, blue, white, green, etc. So she asked her father one day out of curiosity, he never carries a black balloon. Is there any specific reason? Do black balloons don't fly? The dad was smart enough. He knew students or kids nowadays need not only explanation, but if they see it, they'll believe it. Next day, he tells the balloon seller, you carry only black balloons with you. Next day, the balloon seller carries only black balloons. And then he tells the bird, now see if these balloons fly. And the balloons were flying high up in the sky as the other balloons did. So the father told her that what matters is not the external factors. The external factors do not matter. What matters is what is within you. So same is the way, what matters is what is within you, whatever are your external circumstances are, wherever you are from, whichever place you are from, whichever situation you belong to, external forces do not matter. Please see to it, you have that dedication, you have that determination, devotion within you, you have that giving of 100% to whatever you do, and I'm sure one day you will definitely be here on this side of the stage. So wishing you all the very best. Before I close my remarks, just one small thing which I've just penned down, I would like to say it for you all. And I'm sure each of you will say these words while you are leaving from here tomorrow evening. And that is, कमाल कर जाऊंगा, राइट एवरीवन? कमाल कर जाऊंगा, धमाल कर जाऊंगा, किस्मत अपनी मैं खुद से बनवाऊंगा। जोश है, उमंग है, कमाल कर जाऊंगा मैं, धमाल कर जाऊंगा। मेरा जो लक्ष्य है वो शांति से पाऊंगा, मेरा जो लक्ष्य है वो शांति से पाऊंगा। देखना फिर यारो मैं जादू कर जाऊंगा, देखना फिर यारो मैं जादू कर जाऊंगा। कमाल कर जाऊंगा मैं, धमाल कर जाऊंगा। समझ से समझ के ताकत से बढ़ूंगा। सोच है पक्की मेरी, अपना टाइम में लाऊंगा, सोच है पक्की मेरी, अपना टाइम में लाऊंगा। हिम्मत से जुनून से काम अपना करूंगा। आईसीआई का नाम मैं चांद पर लिख के आऊंगा, आईसीआई का नाम मैं चांद पर लिख के आऊंगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, ma'am. Wonderful words. I now request Honorable CA Kashinath Pathare, Chairperson of Pune branch of WIRC of ICAI, to address the audience.
Very good morning, all of you. Respected Padma Shri Milinji Kamble, our today's chief guest, our Central Council member Chandrasekhar Chitle sir, WIC Vice Chairman Yashwantji Kasar, Vikasa Chairman Ketanji Sayya, Regional Council member Ruta Chitle Madam, Vikasa Chairman Mosmi, Satara Vikasa Chairman Rushikesh, and all my managing committee members and dignitary of the dais and my beloved students. I very warm welcome to all our students who have participated in this national conference. I sincerely thanks Padma Shri Milanji Kamble sir for accepting our invitation. Sir, Pune branch having more than 9,500 CA members and 20,000 plus students. A very warm welcome to all our students. For last 2 years, due to pandemic, we could not had such conference. I am very happy to see you all in large numbers. I am sure this conference will help you to learn many things and will give you insight in technical aspects. Thanks once again all of you for attending. Wish you happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I now request the conference director and CCM, CA CV Chitre sir, to present as a token of respect a memento to CA Ketan Sayya. Inviting on the dais CA Ketan Sayya sir, Chairman of Vikasa, to address the audience.
Good morning, guys. आवाज नहीं आया है. Good morning, guys. कसे आहेत पुणेवासी? जय जिनेंद्र, जय श्री कृष्ण. Respected guest of honor Padma Shri Milind sir, respected CCM CV Chitle sir, my colleague in council and vice chairperson Yashwant Bhau, Ruta madam, chairman of the branch, Kashinath ji, chairman Vikasa, Moshmi ji, other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and dear student, it's a pleasure to be here in Pune in National Conference. We are going to have a lot of technical, non-technical, motivational, spiritual sessions over 2 days. And let me compliment the entire Vikasa team of Pune branch and Pune ICAI for hosting such a beautiful conference of 2 days, giving 360-degree knowledge to all the participants, all the students. Friend, let's have a big round of applause for Pune Vikasa. A quick message to all of you, whether for now, for your articleship or for your lifelong, remember 4H. Remember 4H. First H is hard work. You need to do a lot of hard work, even now also in articleship. I believe if you work very hard for 3 years, next 30 years of your life are going to be beautiful, comfortable, and you will have a lot of respect, a lot of earning of money if you became chartered accountant. Second H to my mind is humanity. There is a say in Marathi, माणूस आहे पण माणुसकी कुठे आहे? When we clear exams, be it IPCC, be it final, a lot of time we forget our friends. And there is a say in English, we rise by lifting others. So kindly motivate to your friends who are appearing the exam, who have not clear, help them out, guide them out. And you never know who is going to be helpful to you in future out of them. So second H is humanity. Third H, and the most important to my mind, is healthy lifestyle. Currently, most of us are having a lifestyle which is unhealthy. Healthy lifestyle is a very big subject, won't take more time, but just in 1 minute, eat healthy food, sleep on time, have good friends, have good habits or no bad habits, spending lesser time or needed information which you want from social media is the time which you should spend on the social media. That is most important. The last H in my list is honesty. Whatever work you do it with full purity, full honesty. Whether you are preparing somebody's return, we are carrying out somebody's audit, or tomorrow you are doing some other work, first of all, you should feel happy, a inner happiness that I did something today. मी काहीतरी केलं आज. Each day God has gifted us. So let's spend time very, very wisely, very, very honestly. So these are the 4H. We can elaborate, but respecting the time, not elaborating upon it. Friends, I end my speech by saying, कभी खुशहाली कभी उदासी, कभी खुशहाली कभी उदासी, कभी जीत तो कभी हार होगी. We need to digest being in course of CA. It's a wonderful course, I believe, one of its kind and the most important, very affordable course, and very beautiful. You are at the right place, but we need to digest the failure. Even I didn't clear my CA in first attempt, I cleared it in second attempt, to be very frank with you. So कभी खुशहाली कभी उदासी होगी, कभी जीत कभी हार होगी. दोस्तों, ये CA की डिग्री है, धीरे धीरे पार होगी. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ketan sir, for your knowledgeable thoughts. And I guess the healthy lifestyle tip would be the most important one for all students. I now call upon CA Ruta Chitale ma'am, Regional Council member, to address the audience.
Namaskar. A very good morning to all the dignitaries on the dais, Padma Shri Milinji Kamble, our own CCM, Chandrasekhar Chitale sir, my council colleagues, WIRC Vice Chairman Yashwant Kasar, Ketan Sayya sir, who is Chairman Vikasa, and all the Pune Managing Committee member of very wonderful program, a very wonderfully organized program. And I think all the participants have made a very wise decision by participating in such a vibrant national conference. Why? Because this type of vibrant gatherings are the places where you make new friends, new connects, and this itself is known as networking. What is networking? If at all you have a large network, you have a very big net worth. So friends, you have made a very wonderful decision. You will definitely remember this experience for your life. Why Wings of Fire? I must commend Pune branch for having such a wonderful theme. Wings of Fire because you are the budding professionals, people with a fire in you. Because this fire and fire alone will give wings to your desires and dreams. So don't stop dreaming. Desires create fire, dreams will make the wings. Professionalism shall give wings to this fire. So dare to dream. So dare to dream. Many best wishes to all of you for this national conference. Have a wonderful 2 days. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would now like to invite CA Yashwant Kasar, Regional Council Member, to address the audience.
Good morning, all. Our today's chief guest, Milind sir, all the dignitaries on the dais, all senior CA colleagues of the dais, all my CA student friends. It's indeed my pleasure to interact with you today morning on this occasion of National Students Conference. Friends, yesterday, one of my friends sent me one message, WhatsApp message. He said, he writes in that message, never think that you know everything. The message was like this: what we know, we know. What we don't know, we know. What we know, we don't know. And what we don't know, we don't know. So the thing is, we often think that we know everything, but that is not the case. Even we don't know what we don't know. So that is the ultimate reality. So in student's life, rather in everyone's life, he should be student or learner throughout his life and keep learning new things. And that is very important for student as well. I really congratulate our Pune Vikasa for keeping this app theme of Agnipank. And the theme is knowing the way, going the way, and showing the way. And in the bracket, they have written, the India knows the way, India will go the way, and India will show the way to the world. There is one Abhanga of Sant Tukaram, चालावा पंथ पाविजे त्या ठाया ऐकलिया वाया वारता त्या. The meaning is, only knowing the way is not enough. If you only know the way, but if you don't follow that way, don't go on that path, you will not reach there. You know that for becoming CA, you must do hard work. You must do your study meticulously. You must ask query to your teachers, resolve your queries. That you know, but if you don't do that, if you don't act on that, then it will not help you. So that is why the theme is, you should know the way first, then you should go, walk on that way, and then after succeeding, you should show that way to others. And that is what the theme is, and I really congratulate Vikasa team for keeping that apt theme. And another aspect of the theme is, India will show the way to the world. Friends, we always say it's India's time now. India is ready. And at the same time, at ICAI, we say it's ICAI's time now. Because recently, we had our World Congress of Accountants, where delegates of more than 100 countries physically attended that conference. And that was one of the outcome of that conference, to my mind, is we have showed to the world that yes, India is ready. We as CA professionals are not only local Indian professionals, but we are global professionals. Our ICAI chapters abroad and our members abroad are our brand ambassadors, and they are serving globally. And you, my friends, you are the future of our profession. You will be the next generation future chartered accountants. And I would say your biggest asset is your analytical mindset. And based on that, in whatever field you go, whatever path you choose, you will succeed. And it's up to you to maintain the reputation that our predecessors have built, even enhance that further. So without taking much time, I again congratulate all of you for participating in this conference. Keep learning, keep making new friends, and keep sharing your thoughts. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for elaborating and sharing with everyone more about the tagline of our conference. I now call upon CA Chandrasekhar Chitale, Central Council member of ICAI and our conference director, to enlighten the audience.
Good morning, friends. Honorable Chief Guest, Padma Shri Milinji Kamble, who has been founder chairman of Dicky, and also the much known concept of Stand Up India promoted by Honorable Prime Minister. The brainchild of this particular concept is also Milinji. So it's indeed our pleasure to have such an illustrious personality to be chief guest on this occasion of a national conference of CA students. Honorable Chairman Vikasa Ketan Bhai, Chairman Pune Branch Kashinath Pathare, Chairman Pune Vikasa Mausmi, Regional Council members Ruta and Yashwant, Satara Vikasa Chairman Rushikesh, who has come along with students from Satara and Karad, and special compliments to you. Vice Chairman of Vikasa, my managing committee colleagues from Pune branch, and all of you genius girls and brilliant boys. It's indeed a pleasure to participate in this inaugural function. As you are aware, for the information of chief guest, that the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is not an association of chartered accountants. However, it is created under an act of parliament. And much ahead of the adopted constitution, the CA Act was passed. And in order to regulate and develop the profession of chartered accountancy, this ICAI has been constituted. Friends, as far as ICAI is concerned, the student portfolio assumes the most importance, and therefore not one, but there are 3 boards assisting and working for the cause of students. One is Board of Studies, which is meant with academics, and all the study material training to students which is in academic portfolio is addressed by Board of Studies. Then we have examination. I need not talk much about examination. All of you are aware, maybe once, maybe twice. And this student skill enrichment board, because we believe that academic excellence is there with the chartered accountants, but then ultimately chartered accountant also is a member of the society. He is rendering services to various stakeholders in the society and also to nurse their well-being. And therefore, this social interaction, the personal skill sets, the presentation skill set, interaction with interpersonal people, so this is also necessary. And the all-round development of personality, particularly to shape a student to be a professional, is the responsibility of this Student Skill Enrichment Board, and that is what we are trying to do at Student Skills Enrichment Board. In fact, what makes a good person? A king was also wanting to know this because he wanted good persons to be decorated in his kingdom. So he asked the sage, how do I find out good person? So a sage told him that on a road, which is a busy road, you put a bolster, a heavy stone, and then behind the bushes, you just sit and watch. So he puts a bolster on a busy road, and number of passers-by go here and there. They notice, sir, who has kept this bolster? It should be removed. But then one vegetable vendor comes, and on his head there is a basket full of vegetables. He notices that particular bolster, and he puts down the basket of vegetables, and with all his efforts, he tries to remove the bolster. In one attempt, he is not able to do. Maybe in 2-3 attempts, ultimately the bolster gets removed from the road. And then when the vegetable vendor goes back to pick up his basket of vegetables, he finds some small wallet or purse is there at a place where bolster was there. He looks at that purse, and in that purse, several gold coins were there, and a note was there. These gold coins are meant for a person who removes that bolster. So, friends, there are a number of such bolsters which are presently there in our society, in the globe, and for a professional, it is his duty to remove those bolsters. Not necessarily that that is his professional duty, but ultimately, if one wants to lead to the treasure of this gold, if you do these worthy things in life, it will certainly happen. Now, in old days, supposing with human efforts, that vegetable vendor tried to remove that bolster, but today there are other mechanical means. With that, one is able to achieve it in much better, much faster manner. So all this technology, all this understanding has to be imbibed in the students, and the Student Skill Enrichment Board is trying to do this by organizing such national conferences. We are very lucky that we have with us Honorable Padma Shri Milinji Kamble, who is a founder chairman of Dalit Chamber of Commerce, where scheduled tribe and scheduled caste entrepreneurs are shaped, training is given, hand-holding is done, and ultimately it is seen that all the people are contributing to the national ends. In fact, he is also associated with academics. He is associated with management institution in Jammu and Kashmir. In Pune also, Brihan Maharashtra College of Commerce, he is on their board of studies. And you will be happy to know that as far as this management institution at Jammu is concerned, ICI is already in MOU with this particular institution, and last week only we organized MDP for 3 days for chartered accountants. There are several concepts with him. He could have focused on his industrial pursuit and really done very well. That he is doing by remote control, not by his 24/7 presence in this unit, but he is devoting much of his time for the betterment of those who want to come up in this industry from scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and they want to really flourish in the industry. So this humongous and worthy job that he is doing for the cause of the society, for the cause of our nation. And therefore, we thought it appropriate that such an illustrious personality should be with us and should guide us. Friends, this particular students' conference where more than 1,800 students are participating, number of faculties would be there. The credit goes to the Chairman Vikasa Maushmi Shah and the team of students, Student Managing Committee, and all of you who have joined this particular conference. In fact, the theme has also been appropriately selected. You might be aware that there was a child who was born in a not so wealthy family in Rameshwaram. His father was owning a boat, and he was to transport people and goods in this boat. For the purpose of meeting two ends, this young boy had to do some work, so he used to distribute newspapers. And this young boy, after taking formal education in engineering, became one of the founders of our atomic forces and various other scientific expeditions, and ultimately he became President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. Honorable APJ Abdul Kalam has stated that chartered accountants are partners in nation building. So that accolade this honorable illustrious president has given to us, and he has also written his biography, and that biography is titled Agnipank. So we believe the Board of Studies, the Student Skill Enrichment Board, as well as Pune Vikasa believes that after undergoing this wonderful experience for 2 days, maybe each of us will be worthy of being President of India. His contribution would be of that magnitude. Thank you.
Thank you, Chitre sir, and also thank you for stressing on the fact that co-curriculars are also equally important with academics.
And finally, coming to the dynamic personality present here with us today, a big round of applause for our chief guest, Padma Shri Dr. Milind Kamble. Dr. Milind Prahlad Kamble is a civil engineer, entrepreneur, policy maker, and the founder chairman of Dalit Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the first Indian Commerce Association to promote entrepreneurship in the oppressed Dalit community of India. DICCI is the first body in India which has been founded with the aim of creating entrepreneurs from the people of the Dalit community. DICCI has been founded with the motto, and listen to this carefully, be job givers and not job seekers. which is such a revolutionary concept. It is interesting to know this fact as well, that Sir found the inspiration for DICCI when he studied the history of the African American people's struggle in the USA in the early mid-20th century. The ultimate aim of Sir here is to encourage the Dalits to become the contributors to India's economy through enterprise that has 31 state chapters and 7 international chapters. He is the recipient of Padma Shri at 2013, the 4th highest civilian honor conferred by the government of India. Also, on the 8th convocation of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, Central University Lucknow awarded the honorary doctorate degree in Doctor of Science to Sir. Sir is known for his out-of-the-box thinking and decisions, and the entrepreneurial spirit of his has also triggered him to start so many businesses. In 2001, Sir designed and developed the first website dedicated to the great economist of India, Bharat Ratna, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. This website was inaugurated by the then Prime Minister of India, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and was also recognized by the Limca Book of Records.
Milind Kamble sir is extensively profiled by the media, both Indian and international. Interviews and profiles of him have appeared all on the national electronic media channels as well as the print media in multiple Indian languages. He has also been interviewed and profiled by international publications like Times, Wall Street Journal, Washington Post, New York Times, Khaleej Times, and various other electronic and print media in many countries. Milind Kamble sir is the recipient of many awards and has been recognized for his path-breaking work in social engineering. Some of them are as follows: Samaj Bhushan conferred by the government of Maharashtra in 2015, Udyog Ratna in 2011, Bhim Ratna in 2010, and many more from the civil society. As mentioned earlier, he is the founder chairman of DICCI, but that's not it. He is also the chairman of Board of Governors at the Indian Institute of Management at Jammu. He is the chairman of Advisory Board of National SC/ST Hub, Ministry of MSME, Government of India. He is the co-chair of India-Malaysia CEO Forum, Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. He is the member of Governing Board of Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, EDII, Ahmedabad. He is the member of National Council of Confederation of Indian Industries, CII. He is the co-chair of Affirmative Action Task Force, CII. And the list is never ending. Truly, sir, we are very honored to have you here as our guest of honor today.
इस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ सीए स्टूडेंट्स के प्रोग्राम में मुझे उपस्थित होकर बहुत खुशी हो रही है। आज इस मंच पर उपस्थित हमारे मित्र और चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ऑफ एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया के सीसीआई चंद्रशेखर चितले जी, पुणे ब्रांच हेड मिस्टर पठारे, सीए पठारे, सीए केतन जी, सीए कासार, सीए मौसमी जी, सीए रुता एंड ऑल डियर स्टूडेंट्स, और यहाँ पे उपस्थित सीए फेटर्निटी के सभी स्टूडेंट्स और रिस्पेक्टेड मेंबर्स। 4 दिन पहले मुझे फ़ोन आया चितले जी का कि मिलिंद आपको इस प्रोग्राम में आना है। तो मैंने देखा कि मैं कहाँ हूँ, तो मैं आज पुणे में था। तो मैंने तुरंत उनको कह दिया कि यस आई विल ज्वाइन। और मुझे बहुत खुशी है क्योंकि मैं एक उद्यमी हूँ। तो आप उद्यमी को बहुत अच्छे जानते हैं और उद्यमी सीए को बहुत अच्छे जानते हैं। तो मैं एक उद्यमी हूँ और जो सीए जो है हमारे जो इंडियन इकोनॉमी है, उस इंडियन इकोनॉमी के एक मेजर आप स्टेक होल्डर्स हो, बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण स्टेक होल्डर आप हैं इंडियन इकोनॉमी के। आपका रोल बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। अभी हम तो बस बूढ़े हो रहे हैं, समझ लीजिए। तो आप जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप ही फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया हो, यह बात को आप ध्यान रखना है। और फ्यूचर आसान नहीं है, चैलेंजेस है। क्या क्या चैलेंजेस है आप सबको पता है। तो उस चैलेंजेस को आप आसानी से पार करोगे, ऐसी मेरी उम्मीद है। देखिए, आज की जो थीम है अग्निपंख, इसके ऊपर से मुझे आपको बताना है। जब मैं 2019 में इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट जम्मू में जो है उसका चेयरमैन बना, उसके पहले 3 साल 3 years आई सर्व एज अ बोर्ड मेंबर ऑफ IIM काशीपुर, और 19 में जम्मू का इंचार्ज हुआ। बिल्कुल 20, हमारे देश में 20 IIM है, उसमें 20वां यानी लास्ट 2016-17 में बना हुआ। 2 साल IIM लखनऊ ने उसको मेंटोर किया और 19 को आई बिकम अ चेयरमैन। 2 साल पेंडेमिक में चले गए। 19 में जब मैंने चार्ज लिया तब वहाँ पे पुलवामा जैसी एक इंसिडेंस हुआ था, उसकी वजह से 150 इनटेक था, तो सिर्फ 90 स्टूडेंट्स ही वहाँ पे एडमिशन लिया उन्होंने। सो इट्स अ चैलेंजिंग, और चैलेंजिंग जॉब ही एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ऑलवेज लेते हैं। जो चैलेंजेस होते हैं, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इन अपॉर्चुनिटी, दे नोज वेरी वेल। तो वो हमने चैलेंज लिया। तो लोगो डिज़ाइन करने से लेके एक बहुत अच्छी बिल्डिंग बन गई है जम्मू में। तो नेक्स्ट एकेडमिक ईयर वहाँ शिफ्ट होंगे, और अभी जो नेशनल रैंकिंग है 100 स्कूल, उसमें वी आर एट 36 पोजीशन, और जो 20 स्कूल है उसमें IIM जम्मू इज़ ऑन 15th पोजीशन। तो 4 को हमने पीछे छोड़ दिया। दो वी आर 3rd जनरेशन IIM। तो बहुत सारा एकेडमिक एक्सलेंस और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है हमारे अनुभव के ऊपर हम वहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं। तो मैं कहानी ये इसलिए बता रहा था कि लोगो डिज़ाइन करने से लेके सब काम हमने वहाँ पे किया। तो एक थीम हमारे सामने आई। वो थीम ऐसी थी कि जो ईगल है, जो आपका भी बोध चिन्ह ईगल है उसमें, तो IIM जम्मू के इसमें भी ईगल है। वो थीम ऐसी थी कि ईगल के जो बच्चे हैं वो मुंडेर पर उड़ा नहीं करते। मुंडेर यानी बालकनी में जो दीवार होती है, वो केवल वो मुंडेर पर उड़ा नहीं करते, वह आसमान में छलांग लगाना जानते हैं। तो उस थीम के ऊपर जो हम बात कर रहे थे, जो बता रहे थे कोई, तो ये कहानी ऐसी है, जो ईगल होता है, जब उसको एक छोटा बच्चा होता है तो वह ईगल अपने पैर में उस बच्चे को पकड़ के आसमान में लेके जाता है, और वो आसमान में इतना ऊंचाई पे लेके जाता है तो वहाँ से वो छोड़ देता है नीचे उसको। वो जो छोटा बच्चा है उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है क्या हो रहा है उसके साथ। तो बिल्कुल उसके जो पंख है, छोटा बच्चा है, उसके पंख में उतनी ताकत नहीं रहती है फिर भी वो धीरे 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 ज़मीन की ओर आते रहता है जब, और वो उसकी जो माँ है उसको बिल्कुल ध्यान होता है कि ये कहाँ तक पहुँच रहा है, तो नीचे नीचे वो बच्चा आता है, माँ उसको देखती रहती है, उसको लगता है कि अभी मैं गिर जाऊँगा और ख़त्म सब हो जाएगा, ऐसे उसको लगता है। मगर वो धीरे धीरे पंख फैलाता है। जब वो ज़मीन पर गिरने के यहाँ तक आता है तो उसकी माँ फिर से उसके झपक लेती है और फिर ऊपर जाके उसको छोड़ती है और फिर वो नीचे आती है। और वो धीरे धीरे वो नीचे आते आते उसके जो पंख है फैलने लगते हैं, और उस पंख में जो ताकत जो है धीरे धीरे आने लगती है। उसी प्रकार हम भी वही सोच रहे थे कि जो हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, जैसे आप भी स्टूडेंट हो, तो आपके जो विंग्स है, उस विंग में जो ताकत अगर भरना है, ताकत देना है, तो IIM जम्मू काम कर रहा है। वैसे ही चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ऑफ एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया, यह भी आपके पंखों में ताकत देने का काम कर रहा है ताकि आप आसमान में ऊंची उड़ान भर सके। तो इससे जो अग्नि पंख जो है, और मौसमी मैडम ने भी उसका बहुत अच्छा उसके बारे में कहा कि आप छलांग लगाइए, स्काई इज द लिमिट, नॉर्मली ऐसे कहा जाता है। वाई स्काई इज द लिमिट? जाइए इन्फिनिटी में जाइए, देखिए वहां पे क्या है। डोंट लिमिट योर सेल्फ अप टू द स्काई, यू फ्लाई अबव स्काई, इन्फिनिटी जाइए, दुनिया में क्या है वो देखिए और देश की आप सेवा करिए। तो देखिए, मैं इंडियन इंडस्ट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ, बीइंग एंटरप्रेन्योर, एक चेंबर, दूसरा एकेडमिया, उसको भी रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ। अभी मैं गुजरात से आ रहा हूँ, गुजरात से दिल्ली गया, फिर पुणे आया। जो EDI अहमदाबाद है, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया, उसके गवर्निंग बोर्ड पर बहुत सालों से हूँ, बीच में प्रेसिडेंट भी था। तो और IIM जम्मू, एक तो एकेडमिया और दूसरा इंडस्ट्री। देखिए, अभी हमारी जो इकोनॉमी है और पूरी दुनिया की इकोनॉमी जिस ट्रांजिशन से हम जा रहे हैं, उसमें हमको साइलोज में काम करके नहीं चलेगा। देयर इज ऑलवेज डिबेट, इंडस्ट्री एंड एकेडमिया जो है दोनों ने साथ में काम करना चाहिए। और जैसे CA फेटर्निटी है, इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग वाले हैं, बैंक्स है, तो ये जो ऑल स्टेक होल्डर्स है, इन्होंने अलग अलग काम करके साइलोज में काम करके नहीं चलेगा। तो इसकी एक सिनर्जी क्रिएट होने की आवश्यकता है। जिस प्रकार के चैलेंजेस पूरी दुनिया में, हमारे देश में इस पैंडेमिक की वजह से आए, और जिस प्रकार की हमारी इकोनॉमी की हालत रही, दुनिया की इकोनॉमी की हालत रही, मगर बहुत तेज़ी से हम लोग वी आर कमिंग बैक ऑन द ट्रैक। लगभग हम प्री कोविड लेवल, कुछ सेक्टर्स में प्री कोविड लेवल, कुछ सेक्टर्स में उसके आगे हम लोग चले गए। यह बहुत अच्छी बात है। अगर हम कुछ पैरामीटर्स अगर देखेंगे, इन्फ्लेशन से लेके ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है, तो हमें ध्यान में आएगा कि कुछ चीज़ें ठीक कर रही है, कुछ सेक्टर्स ठीक नहीं कर रहे हैं। जैसे इन्फ्लेशन है, इट्स अ मॉडरेट, से लेके ये सब चीज़ें आप जानते हो पूरी तरह। तो मुझे एक बात का बड़ा दुख होता है, जब भी कोई जो रेटिंग एजेंसी है या इकोनॉमिस्ट है, वह हमारे देश के इकोनॉमी को किस तरह देखते हैं। तो हमारे देश के इकोनॉमी को वह अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड इकोनॉमी, लगभग 80% जो है अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड इनफॉर्मल इकोनॉमी, और ओनली 20% इज अ फॉर्मल इकोनॉमी। तो इससे आपको कुछ लगता नहीं है? तो लगता है, आप सबको लगता है कि हमारे देश के इकोनॉमी को वो जो कोई बैठे हुए रेटिंग एजेंसीज है या इकोनॉमिस्ट है इस प्रकार उसका एनालिसिस करते हैं, तो इसके ऊपर हमने सोच के दुनिया में जो अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर में काम करने वाले जो लोग हैं, जो स्मॉल बिजनेसेस पर्टिकुलरली उसमें आते हैं, और उस स्मॉल बिजनेसेस को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने के लिए क्या क्या हुआ है। तो आप भी सब लोग दुनिया में जाते हैं, सभी लोग जाते हैं, हम भी जाते हैं, और जो बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस क्या है, तो जैसे हमारे देश में मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ माइक्रो स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस है, एमएसएमई, सेंटर स्तर पर है, कुछ स्टेट में है, कुछ इंडस्ट्री के साथ ही है। वैसे कुछ देशों में उसका अलग अलग नाम है, वैसे यूएस में उसको एसबीए कहते हैं, स्मॉल बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, और 50 साल से वो काम करते हैं। हमारी तो अभी बनी है 15-20 साल पहले। तो उन्होंने ये स्मॉल बिजनेसेस को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छे प्रैक्टिसेस उन्होंने अडॉप्ट किए। तो क्या किया है, तो एसबीडीसी स्मॉल बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट सेंटर्स जो हैं, तो उन्होंने डेवलप किए। लगभग 1000 स्मॉल बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट सेंटर्स है अक्रॉस यूएस, इन बी स्कूल, टी स्कूल, प्राइवेटली, और ऐसे बहुत सारे। और उनके पास स्मॉल बिजनेसेस का बहुत स्ट्रांग डेटा है। छोटा सा देश, पॉपुलेशन छोटी सी है हमारा, वी आर 140 करोड़। तो उनके पास बहुत ही अच्छा डेटा है। बैंक ऑफ अमेरिका ने उसके ऊपर रिसर्च किया और उन्होंने कहा कि उनको एक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि व्हाई स्मॉल बिजनेसेस फेल। तो उसके ऊपर उन्होंने रिसर्च करके कहा कि स्मॉल बिजनेसेस फेल ड्यू टू कैश फ्लो मैनेजमेंट, दिस इज द मेन रीजन। तो देन हाउ टू ओवरकम, और ऐसे बहुत सारे पैरामीटर्स जो थे उसके ऊपर उन्होंने ये एसबीडीसी शुरू किया, जहां पे इस स्मॉल बिजनेसेस का हैंड होल्डिंग होता है। और आप देखोगे कि यूएस के जो ब्रांड है, फूड से लेके गारमेंट से लेके सभी प्रकार के जो ब्रांड्स है, दे वर्ल्ड वाइड दे आर डोमिनेटिंग। व्हाई? बिकॉज वेरी कॉम्पिटेटिव एंसिलरी प्रोडक्ट्स का सप्लाई जो है उनको है। ओके, तो इसलिए उनके बड़े बिजनेसेस दे आर डोमिनेटिंग वर्ल्ड वाइड। तो दिस इज अ बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस। हमने देख के हमने भारत सरकार को कहा कि ये जो 80% हमारे यहाँ पे जो अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड बिजनेसेस है, स्मॉल बिजनेसेस, हाउ टू ट्रांसफॉर्म देम इन अ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर। तो कुछ सजेशंस हमने मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्किल एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट जो है उनको दिए। और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट और स्किल मंत्रालय में ओनली स्किलिंग का काम चल रहा है, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का बहुत कुछ नहीं है। तो हम आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो हम अभी 75 ऐसे स्मॉल बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट यूनिट्स एसबीडीयू फॉर्म करते हैं, और अभी 75 हम लोग देश में ये यूनिट्स बना रहे हैं। वो क्या करेंगे, तो उनको 100-200 ऐसे टारगेट बढ़ाते जाएंगे, और उस स्मॉल बिजनेसेस को आप हैंड होल्ड करिए। उसको मालूम नहीं अकाउंटिंग कैसे होते हैं, जो छोटे छोटे फंडे हैं, हर महीने का एक डायरी लीजिए, लेफ्ट साइड को कितने जमा हो गए, राइट पेज पे कितना खर्चा हो गया, ऐसे 12 महीने के 12 डायरी बनाइए, सीए साहब को बोलिए ये मेरा बैलेंस शीट बना दो, है ना, इजी अकाउंटिंग। तो इस टाइप के छोटे जो इनपुट्स है, कैश फ्लो को कैसे मैनेज करना है से लेके ये उसको देने की जरूरत है, और उसके ऊपर हमारे देश में अभी काम हो रहा है। अभी 9 जनवरी को हमको टारगेट ऐसा है, भारत सरकार ने दिया है कि 20 ऐसे स्मॉल बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट यूनिट पहले JNK में शुरू करे और बाकी जो 60 जो है वह पूरे देश भर में वहाँ पे शुरू करिए। तो यह एक शुरुआत है। तो यह बिजनेसेस, छोटे बिजनेसेस है, उसको जो एक्सेस मिला है बैंकिंग, जनधन के माध्यम से अकाउंट खुले हैं, रिकॉर्ड अकाउंट खुले हुए हैं, मुद्रा के माध्यम से उनको इक्विटी मिली हुई है, लोन मिले हुए हैं और वो अपने बिजनेस, स्मॉल बिजनेसेस अपने चला रहे हैं। तो इनको उसकी कैसे बैलेंस शीट बनाना है, कैसे टैक्स भरना है। ज़्यादा टैक्स भरोगे तो आपकी ज़्यादा क्रेडेंशियल बढ़ेंगे, आप ज़्यादा एलिजिबल होगे, मोर एंड मोर कैपिटल एंड एक्सेस। ये जो बात है ना, ये मुझे आपसे ज़रूर कहनी है कि ये आप ज़रूर बोलिए SMEs को। मैं SME का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हूँ। भाई आप टैक्स भरिए, मैं आपका टैक्स बचा के देने के लिए नहीं हूँ, है ना। तो जो लेजिटिमेट है, ना कम ना ज़्यादा, जो लेजिटिमेट है वो जो टैक्स है वो टैक्स आप भरिए, थोड़ा ज़्यादा भरिए ताकि आपका क्रेडिट जो है वो ज़्यादा मिलेगा आपको, आपकी एलिजिबिलिटी ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी। तो इस टाइप का उनको सिखाना है और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कैसे टैक्स एम्बिट में आ जाए वो देखना है ताकि वो फॉर्मल में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाए। तो यह एक बहुत अलग बात के ऊपर हम इस देश में काम कर रहे हैं। तो इसमें आपका रोल बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। मैं इसलिए वो कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि आप बीइंग अ मेजर स्टेक होल्डर, तो आपका इसमें बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल है। तो वह रोल आप बिल्कुल निभाएंगे, मैं ऐसी अपेक्षा रखता हूँ। अभी आपको मैं बताता हूँ, भारत को G20 का प्रेसिडेंसी मिली है। अभी देखिए, अभी तक जो प्रेसिडेंसीज जो थी इस प्रकार की, तो जो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ है उस डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ एजेंडा सेट करती थी और जैसे अंडर डेवलप्ड या जो कंट्रीज़ है उनको उसको खाली रिस्पॉन्ड करना, इतना ही हमारा काम था। मगर आज हमें इस G20 की प्रेसिडेंसी मिली हुई है, तो वी विल शो द वे। जो आपका जो थीम है, शो द वे, दुनिया को हमें जो रास्ता दिखाना है, तो इंडिया विल शो द वे। वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, वन फैमिली, वन अर्थ, वन फैमिली, वन जर्नी, यह गोल हमने सेट किया। यह हम दुनिया को बताएंगे कि भाई वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ, सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ, ये आज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कोई भी विकास से वंचित न हो वह देखना। तो देखिए, मैं एज अ पार्ट ऑफ B20 जो एंगेजमेंट ग्रुप है G20 का, आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट। तो दैट वी विल, दुनिया को ये हम बताएंगे कि भारत ने किस तेजी से इंक्लूसिव सोसाइटी, सस्टेनेबल सोसाइटी के ऊपर काम किया है। एक्सेस टू द फॉर्मल बैंकिंग थ्रू जनधन अकाउंट ओपनिंग, फाइनेंसिंग टू अनफाइनेंस, इंश्योरेंस टू अनइंश्योर्ड, हेल्थ फॉर ऑल, इस प्रकार के जो इनिशिएटिव्स है जिसमें करोड़ों लोग उसके बेनिफिशरी हैं, तो यह हम दुनिया को बताएंगे। और द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ बिजनेस। तो मैं आप सभी को इस अवसर पर, आपके इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के अवसर पर आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और आपने जो मुझे यहाँ बुलाया और मेरी बात आपने सबने सुना, इसलिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
What a wonderful journey you've been through, sir.
Sir, you have talked about cooperation of ICAI with Dickey. I am sure that for the purpose of development of nation, all of us will come together, and ICI will be very happy to tie up with Dicky and other management institutions for the purpose of development of entrepreneurship. We will also be would like to participate in guiding them and in taking various sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, once again for gracing this occasion with your presence, honoring this dais, and enlightening us with your delightful and inspiring words.
I now request Honorable C.V. Chitre sir to kindly felicitate Dr. Milind Kamble sir. We are extremely delighted to have our past regional council member of Pune branch, CA Satyanarayan Mundada sir with us. We also have jury members of the paper presentation here, that is CA Shekhar Sane sir, CA Ketan Jain sir, CA Rekha Dhamankar madam, who was also past chairman of the Pune branch of ICAI, CA Zuili Rajopadhyay ma'am, and CA Anjali Minyar madam. We are very delighted to have you here. Welcome everybody.
I would now like to call upon Ashish Patil, Vice Chairman of Pune branch of Vikasa, to propose the vote of thanks.
नमस्कार मंडळी. I, Ashish Pramila Vasudev Patil, welcome all the dignitaries on the dais and my dear friends. I welcome all of you on behalf of Pune branch of ICAI and Pune Vikasa National Conference, the most awaited event of my life, in the shoes of Vice Chairman of Pune Vikasa. And since my dream is becoming true, I am really grateful that I am able to represent each one of you over here. Our guest, our chief guest, Padma Shri Milind Kamble ji, I would like to thank you. And जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि हमारा थीम अग्निपंख है और हम CA फैटर्नी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. हमारा पंख लेकर हमें आसमान में ऊंची उड़ान भरनी है. हम भरेंगे ना? हम भरेंगे ना? हम भरेंगे ना? Yes, good. So I would like to thank you, CA Chandrasekhar Chitre ji and Milind Kamble ji and our RCM, RCM Kasar sir ji, Ruta Chitre ma'am and WRC chairperson. Okay, Ketan sir, and our chairman of Pune ICI, Pathare ji. I would like to thank you all, and आपके वजह से ही हमारा कॉन्फ्रेंस आज इतने सक्सेसफुल लेवल पर आया है. आई एम सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस ऑफ माई सेल्फ. ओके, मैं मौसमी मैम जी के लिए एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा. शी इज़ लाइक आवर जीजा माता टू ऑल ऑफ अस. वी आर मावड़ा ऑफ her because she has trained and groomed us so much over here, and that today we are able to host this prestigious national conference because of her. And my dear committee colleagues, Deven, Taha, Yash, Pratik, I would like to thank to them because they helped us for making this conference, and they taken a lot of efforts for this event. And how can I forget my Mauras, my volunteers. They are really selfless, and they took a lot of efforts to making this event on a bigger level. They are so enthusiastic. They are having highly helpful since a lot of days. They are connected to us, and they are helping in a good level, so that we have arranged this conference at this level. And around, I can see that around almost 1600 plus students आए हैं. जैसे लोगों ने, मतलब हमने 1500 चेयर्स लगाए थे, लेकिन जैसे क्राउड इतना बढ़ रहा है, तो हमें इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि यार हाँ, हमने बहुत कुछ आज अच्छा रिमार्केबल यहाँ पर सेट किया है. So thank you so much to all my dear friends, to all of you. And it is really grateful to having you all in our conference. Thank you so much. Yes.
Thank you so much, Ashish.
And with this, my dear friends, we hereby declare
National Conference of CA Students
2022
has finally begun. Stay tuned for more fun and more learning with all of us.
The technical session will be starting shortly. Until then, be you, be happy, because that, my dear friends, is all that matters. Until then, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai ICAI.